An AI startup just hired me to become the face of their YouTube channel for $750 per week. And the video they found me from had only 100 views. They didn't care about the views. They cared that I looked like an expert in my niche. So today, I'll show you my 4-step method that turns your YouTube channel into a sales page that gets you hired no matter what. Truth is, views from the wrong audience are worthless. Let's take Sam Haben for example. His recent drama video with Hamza got over 200k views, while most of his videos get from 1 to 5k views. How many clients do you think he got from that video? It was 0, because those viewers wanted drama, not solutions. You can separate YouTube viewers into 2 groups: those who are looking to be entertained and those who are looking for education. This is one of my videos. It got 500 views. But it got me 0 clients because those 500 people were looking to be entertained, not educated. Now, let's compare that to the video that got me hired into an AI startup. Only 100 views, but it was educating people about Alex Hormozi's content strategy. Creator Lunch made over $100k in a month just educating people. So, how do you create educational content instead of entertainment? The key is to focus on pain points. Instead of asking, what will get me views? Ask yourself, what keeps my ideal clients up at night? Which one of these videos do you think got more views? The AI takeover. But which one got more clients? The B2B lead generation. Because B2B lead generation is a real pain point. People are searching for this and they're looking to hire someone to do it for them. One educational video won't turn your channel into a sales page. You need a branding that makes hiring you the obvious choice. This includes 3 pillars. If your thumbnails look low quality, clients assume your work is too. This is a thumbnail that got me hired into an AI startup. And this is another thumbnail about Alex Hormozi. This video got more views, but this one got me hired. Can you guess why? This is just a random screenshot of Alex Hormozi's course, and this one looks more professional. It has a clear face and text for context. 3 elements make a thumbnail professional. First, professional face shot. Your thumbnail is a business card, so you want to look as professional as possible. Second, eye-catching graphics. It creates curiosity and makes you stand out. Third, simplicity. This thumbnail looks way more professional than this thumbnail. And it's because of simplicity, because simplicity equals premium. Creator Launch does this in every single thumbnail. As you can see, professional face shot, eye-catching graphics, and everything is very simple. Second pillar are topics. You want to talk about fewer topics because clients don't hire you because you can talk about AI, cooking, and car repairing. They're hiring you because they're looking for an expert. And the best way to prove that is by sticking to 3 or 2 topics max. Does this channel scream to you? I know what I'm talking about. Not really. It's one's talking about AI, one about some WhatsApp random business tools, and it's all a total mess. Now look at this. Every video reinforces the same message. I'm an expert in AI automation. On my channel, I just stick to YouTube strategy, script writing, and monetization. That's why the startup thought this guy lives and breathes YouTube, and they hired me. Ask yourself, can someone look at my channel and instantly tell what I do in 5 seconds? If not, you need to reduce the amount of topics you talk about. Third pillar is video quality, but here is where most people mess up. They buy expensive cameras, lighting, while ignoring the most important thing: audio. If your audio sucks, your potential customer will just get annoyed. No matter how good everything else is, even a cheap mic and Adobe Enhance will fix it. I learned this the hard way. My first video had terrible audio and it killed my watch time. The rest of your equipment doesn't have to be expensive. A phone camera works. Just keep the background clean and simple. Your background triggers the halo effect. In your customers' minds, bad background equals bad work. Now you look professional. You're focused on the right topics, but it's not enough. You still need to prove that you're exactly what they're looking for. Alexei made over $200K from his YouTube channel, even though this video breaks every single rule of YouTube. There are no flashy edits, no viral hooks. He just teaches what the viewer searches for. In sales, the best way to sell is by giving a free sample, like free cheese samples at Costco. You like the cheese, you buy it. YouTube works the same way. They try your method, it works, they buy. Even better, they think, if the free thing is so good, imagine what I would get if I hired him. But most people get lost here. They overcomplicate everything to sound smart. The moment they don't understand you, they won't buy, because you make them feel stupid. Break things down like you're teaching a smart 12-year-old. Use analogies like, think of AI prompts like giving instructions to an intern. If anyone can follow along, you look like a master. And if you're worried that they will use your free things and never buy, don't worry. Most people never implement what they learn. They're either too busy or lack skills. And the ones who do try your methods, they become proof that the methods work. And then they hire you to do it for them. But best creators don't stop at videos. They give free value everywhere. Alexei, for example, offers a free 30-minute call via Calendly. Creator Launch offers a free school community. Free value equals anything useful. It can be a template, a calculator, a free community, whatever. This is why the AI startup hired me. I broke down Alex's content strategy and then offered them a free strategy call. But there's one more piece. The startup owner revealed to me one thing that separated me from all the creators they tried to hire. The mistake is that there's no bridge from I like this person to I want to work with them. The creators said there were other creators they wanted to work with, but they had no contact info. Your channel isn't just content, it's a portfolio, so you must organize it like a portfolio. First, create playlists by service, AI content strategy, UGC examples, brand storytelling. This makes it easier for the client to access exactly what they're looking for. Next, your about page. Most creators think their about page should be funny and tell what the channel is about, like this one. Explaining stuff with few words and more pictures, comment to suggest stuff you want to see. But that tells the clients nothing. Your about page should answer, who do you help? Be specific about your target client. What you do, be specific. I create UGC content for AI and tech startups. How to contact you, email, booking link, DM instructions. Social proof if you have it. Worked with brand X or helped Y grow their YouTube presence. This is my about page. The first line says exactly who I help and what I do. The second line gives you social proof. And the last line tells you how to contact me. Imagine if it said, videos about YouTube, like and subscribe. That AI startup couldn't hire me. But you can level this up by stacking credibility in your favor. Link your Instagram to show the behind the scenes and your personality. Link your LinkedIn to show your past work and success. Link your portfolio to show them your best work. This proves that you're not just a YouTuber, you're an expert for hire. Even a simple Instagram link like Creator Launch does makes you way more professional. This is why the AI startup hired me. They saw the video and thought, this is interesting. Then they went to my about page and booked a call. The AI startup didn't hire me because I had views. They hired me because my channel screamed, I know what I'm talking about. And now you know how to do the same. If you want me to look at your channel and tell you what to improve to make it easier for clients to hire you, book a free 30-minute call in the description. Now, having a professional channel is one thing, but if your intro sucks, no matter how good your channel is, the clients will never hire you. That's why you should watch this video about how to improve your intros.